There is a field in Virginia that is home to 42 abandoned presidential statues. These statues are about 20 feet tall and around 20,000 pounds. Now, internet legend claims that there is no explanation for this. That is not true. There 100% is.